some music back in the day that, there was a late summer night, and I just didn't know what to write, but I knew I felt the music coming, and I just didn't have the words, so I opened up a book of poetry, and there are the words, right? So I used the poetry of Rainer Maria Rilke. Anybody know the German poet? Yes, great. And turned to the page, and the poem was called Before Summer Rain, and I thought it was just perfect timing for the end of the summer. You could feel the impending turn of the season, and just that, poetic capture, what Rilke captures so poetically, just that dumbfounding awe of changing seasons. So, and all of us know winter is coming here, as you have seen outside, but this one is called Before Summer Rain, but it's that last end of summer, and knowing that the cold's coming. Suddenly, before the green around you, something you don't know what has disappeared. You feel it creeping closer into the window in total silence. Before the summer rain, before the summer rain, I can't believe it's winter. It's here again. From the nearby wood, you hear the urgent whistling of the plover, reminding you of someone, St. Jerome. So much solitude and passion to come from that one voice whose fears request the downpour will grant the summer rain, grant the summer rain. I can't believe it's winter. It's here again. The walls with their ancient portraits glide away from us cautiously, as though they weren't supposed to hear what we are saying. Before the summer rain, before the summer rain, I can't believe it's winter. It's here again. And reflected in the faded tapestries now, the chill, uncertain sunlight of those